Now we are discussing about a data type called set. I am giving A is equal to, in mathematics, set means a group of elements. I am giving randomly some elements 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. So if I am trying to print, the elements are not printing in the order I have given. Remember that point. And also we are giving some 1, 2 and 8, 5, 4, some 9. In this order I have given. Now if I print some 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 9, at present it is appearing to us that data is being printed in the ascending order every time, but it may not be possible always. I am giving another set. So this is 2, some 6, 10, 3, 4. Now you can observe. Now also it is being printed, but every time it is not possible because this is the small data I am giving. Every time it is being printed in the ascending order, and I am giving another set. C is equal to 1, 2, 5. I am repeating the 2 and 5 and 8, 6, some 12 I am giving. See, in this set, the repeated terms, the 2 is not being printed second time. The 5 is not being printed in the second time. So two problems we have in the sets. One is the data in which order we are giving, that is not being printed, and every time it may not be printed in the ascending order also. And the second problem is all the elements, when there is a duplicate element, when the element is occurring for the second time, that element will not be printed second time in the output. So these two problems are there in the set. So indexing is not possible in the set. If I try to find the first element, the error is coming because the indexing is not at all possible, as we discussed. If I am giving some second element, index of the second element, again the error is coming because indexing is not at all possible. Now we are taking a set which is consisting of some strings. I am taking a string as GPT, one string, and Polytechnic, another string, and also I am taking some numbers 10, 20, 10, 30, 40, different numbers we are taking. Now 2 plus 3j, I am taking some complex variable. Also we are taking one floating data type 10.5. So floating value also we have taken. Group of elements now are included in the C. We will repeat the string also. The GPT is repeated 2 times and the number 10 is repeated 2 times. Now we will check. In the C, first point we have observed the data is not being printed in the order we have given. So indexing is not at all possible. We will check C of 1. It will show error. The second point we have observed the duplicate data is not at all printed. GPT, even though we have given 2 times, only 1 time it is printed. Even though we have given 10 2 times, only 1 time 10 is printed. Now, if we give empty braces, can we call this as an empty set? Before that, we will check. So type of C, what is the type of C? It is giving the data type of C as a set. Now we are giving the empty braces for the variable D. Can this D be called as a set data type? We will check. Again, we are giving the type to check what is the data type of D. Here the data type is not set, it is a dictionary. So whenever we give the 2 empty braces, it is not necessarily we can call as a set data type, because dictionary data type, in dictionary data type also we use these 2 flower braces. So when we have the data in the 2 flower braces and the data is separated by the commas, we may use integer data or floating data or complex data. Irrespective of the nature of the data, if we have the data separated by the commas, then that particular variable D is a set data type. But if we are giving only empty flower brackets, then that will become a dictionary data type.